Hi Ajay. First of
Hi,
all,
sir.
heartiest congratulations on your success in the
Thank you,
CAT
sir.
2020
Thank you
exam.
very much, sir.
So, it would be great if you could share a few words of wisdom with our users at GradeUp and
Yes.
contribute to their preparation journey to the top B schools. First of all, please introduce yourself to the students.
Sir, my name is Ajay Agarwal. I completed my BTech in electrical engineering from Indus University, Ahmedabad.
Right. So, why did you choose an MBA as a career?
My inclination towards MBA is due to the reason that MBA provides many professional as well as personal benefits. It doesn't matter if we are working in a manufacturing sector, technological sector, any other sectors, but an MBA, pursuing an MBA degree always provides us some opportunities for career growth and advancements. And I started preparing for CAT when I was in the fourth year of my graduation.
Will you please explain in detail your preparation strategy for different subjects?
Yes, sir, sure. Since the day I started preparing for CAT, sir, I was much focused towards clearing the basics. Clearing the basics will help us to solve the advanced problems very easily. Other than that, for the VRC section, I developed a habit of reading regular newspapers, and so I could solve the RC very quickly. And for the DLR section, I targeted 2 to 3 sets of DLR daily.
Okay, so what was your strongest area and the weakest area?
Okay, my strongest area was quants because I was pretty much clear with the basics there.
Right.
And for the weakest section, the VRC section was the toughest for me.
Right.
But I overcome it by practicing daily.
Okay. So, how much improvement you can see in yourself when you started preparing and when you finally appeared D-Day?
For the first time when I had given CAT, sir, there I was percentile. But as I started practicing more and more, today I have got 98.43 percentile. So I see that there are many much improvements in this.
Right. So, what were your strategy for the last 2 weeks before the exam?
For the last 2 weeks, I was much focused towards revising the concepts. I also used to solve the previous year papers. Apart from that, I used to see my strengths and weaknesses and target them accordingly.
Right. So, according to you, how important is the regular practice through mock test, quizzes, previous year papers?
I feel that anything can be excelled by practice only. So giving a mock test gives us a good score in CAT. Apart from this, I could analyze my weaknesses and strength there, and so I could target them accordingly. Other than this, I feel that this gives us an image of real CAT exam, and thus this overcomes our nervousness on the exam day.
Right. So, how different was the new pattern and how did it impact your preparation?
So being unaware about the number of questions was always putting a hurdle in our preparation strategy. But with an open mind, we went there, and so I could complete my paper on time.
Okay, so which section of CAT 2020 did you find to be the easiest and the toughest one?
I was in the slot 3 of CAT 2020. There I found the quants to be easiest. If we are clear with the basics, we can easily solve them. For I feel that toughest section was DLR. The questions were doable, obviously, but time consuming.
Okay. So how did GradeUp help you in your preparation? And which feature of GradeUp helped you the most?
Obviously, GradeUp has contributed a lot for achievement of my CAT 2020. I used to follow the videos of the GradeUp where I learned various complex concepts and shortcut tricks, and thus it helped me solve very advanced problems. Other than this, the doubt session was also very helpful. The analysis of the mock test provided by the GradeUp also helped me to analyze my strengths and weaknesses and over the various sections and target them accordingly.
Any advice you would like to share with fellow aspirants for CAT 2021?
I would say that start early, set your goals, and leap towards them.
Right. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your valuable words, Ajay. Right. I hope all the students are listening to your advice, your preparation strategy, and they will definitely follow your steps and will achieve great goals in their life. Right. Thank you, Ajay. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.